Today is October 3rd, 2017. Currently 1:05 p.m. Hello. Yes, I'd like to know why I'm in here after paying my taxes, and I have it recorded. And I've never received any letters of delinquency.
The name on the car or the address?
Heidi Woodick. I want to know how many you have noted. So I could only find one on Evans, 838 East Evans.
838 East
Yeah,
Evans?
but I want to know how many others you have falsely reported.
I know it's not Jamie. Yeah. It's Heidi. Heidi. Thank you.
Okay, 838 East Evans, I show under the name of
I knew it wasn't Jamie.
Oprah Winfrey.
Yep, and myself.
And yourself. And I do not show that it is paid at this time. The first half was paid back in January by you.
I know it's not.
Second half was not paid. So that's why.
Where's the delinquency notice?
The delinquency notices are mailed in July.
Where I want a copy of it. You never mailed me one.
Yeah, we did.
Okay, provide me a copy.
Is the mailing address accurate for the 8448 State Highway?
Yes, it is. So let me see the copy of it. Because you never provided it to me. And what was the payment?
Now?
What was it before it was delinquent?
$96.04.
Because several of them were paid on one money order. And I came in here to make sure you guys attached it all correctly.
Thank you. Have a good one, you too.
And as you applied it.
I'm looking at your other ones just to see if there's any other ones out there that have amounts due.
Because I saw Gino Corleo in there. I talked to the Romeros with the funeral home. We've all paid our taxes, have a very regular history of paying. And they said they paid theirs as well. No letter was ever issued and no letter went to the mail, all my mail. Unless somebody took it at the Beulah post office.
And there are no phones allowed within our office. If you could please shut off your phone.
Where does it say that?
All over that state that there's no phones allowed in our office.
Oh, okay. Is that because you don't allow phones because we can't capture the crimes that are occurring and the embezzlement on our taxes? We can't document proof of payment as we're entitled? No, we cannot document it.
No, that is not what it's for. We do not allow phones in our office.
How come this is a public...
It's disruptive to the business.
Oh, you think it's disruptive?
Can I help you with something? I'm not quite sure what Tammy's looking into, but I'm the supervisor.
So now you want to help me?
I'm the supervisor of
What's
the
your name?
department. My name is Tina.
Hi, Tina. I would like to address the issues of the embezzlement that's going on in this office for judicial officers and the payments. And I'd also like to talk to you, Tina, about you changing the properties that I'm the executor on for the Joe Woodick Family Trust, and you changed the names without my signature. How come?
Actually, that would not actually be us.
Yes, you did. You didn't have legal proper due process to change Joe Woodick's estate that I'm an executor of, and I'm a shareholder of those properties.
Can I speak to you, please? We don't change anything within our office. All name changes, all changes come from the clerk and recorder's office and the assessor's office on the second floor.
Okay.
You're more than welcome to talk to them about any changes that occurred. We collect taxes within our office.
And can I get a proof of your mailing on this? Because I did not receive this. So if I can make a claim that I did not receive your delinquency notice, as you just spent enough time here printing one out, you just made one on your computer. I watched you just make this.
According to state statute.
So it's true. You just made a delinquency notice.
A copy of the delinquency notice.
No, I watched you just make it on your computer.
A copy of the delinquent notice, ma'am.
You did not mail me this.
I did not mail you that.
So we do not have proof of the one that we mailed to you because we don't have it in our office.
Okay, where do you have it? So, because I want proof. Because I want to show that you did not do your due process before putting the property in a public notice.
Because we sent it to you, we did not receive it back.
You did not send it to me. By law, you have a right, you have an obligation to show proof of service. Are you telling me you don't? This is a property matter. This is treason.
Are you ID by chance?
I'm Dr. Woodick, yes.
Okay. If you'd like to, I believe all of your information has been forwarded up to the county attorney's office. You may want to.
Oh, you mean
to them
corrupt Greg
regarding-
Styduhar? The one who's you're giving a check to for embezzlement?
That's not the county attorney, actually, but if you'd like to, you're
Who
more
is the
than
county
welcome to
attorney?
talk to them. They are on the third floor. Just to get off the elevator, turn to your
Who is the
left.
county attorney?
Right now, there is an interim county attorney who is in place of the original one, who has now stepped down from.
Who
that
was the
seat.
original one?
It was Greg Styduhar, and he is
Oh.
now a judge.
So you're trying to discredit my abilities of Greg Styduhar, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so Greg
Not in
Styduhar
these.
was the county attorney who stepped down because he was doing illegal corruptions.
No, ma'am. If you'd like to talk to the county
So now
attorney,
you're going
you're
to
more
lie
than
to me
welcome
about
to.
what has occurred here in the office.
Ma'am, would you like me to just call the sheriff's deputy to actually come and escort you out of our
Oh, so I
office?
can't pay my taxes?
You can pay your taxes if that's what you would like to do.
That's
but
what I'm
that's
here
not
to
what you
resolve
have
today.
been
I'm
doing.
asking, I have the right to ask you why you have not provided me the proper notice of delinquency. You're getting mad at me. Do you
No,
not see I have the
am
right
not
to be
getting mad at
frustrated?
you. You're just not allowing me to state what we have done. You're asking her to provide you.
With the proof of
With-
service.
We can't do that. It goes out by U.S. Postal Service.
Okay, so when
if
we go to
didn't
court, you're going to
receive
have
it
to be able
back-
to prove it.
Right, and we
Okay,
do have a tax
so
roll,
let's
which
pay-
she just created this off of to give you
She
a
just
copy.
created it. Thank you very
It is
much
a
for saying
copy.
that. So
The
she just
original was
created
mailed
this.
to you.
The original never was mailed. And I'm telling you that. So I'm going to be taking you to court. I will pay this to get it current today. And this will be my second payment. And I'll be asking for an audit. And I'll see you in a higher court. This is treason. I know Oprah Winfrey did not delinquent on her taxes. I know Joe Consilia didn't go delinquent. I know the Romero family, of which I spoke to them, and they said, no, we paid our taxes. I have a secret agent saying that you guys have been doing tax fraud for the judges. Are you taking a tax check?
No, ma'am.
Oh, you're not? You don't?
From anyone else, you mean, or to collect your tax?
So you don't think your employment tax is also part of this tax fraud that's occurring?
Ma'am, that is your opinion, and
Okay.
you're definitely.
And you're the supervisor here, right?
I am a supervisor.
And so you're the
within
expert on the property tax?
I am not an expert. I am a supervisor of the office.
Okay, this is good to know. Thank you. So let's resolve just this issue today, and let's just get these paid current, and then I'll see you in court for the further deprivation of rights and failure to notify, okay?
If you'd like to step down to my window, I'll.
Is she incompetent to help me? Because I had no problem with this woman.
No, as long as you continue to talk to her in a proper manner, I have no problem.
Are you lying and saying that I'm improper in my approach and my demeanor?
I'm just saying you're continuing to argue with us. She's happy to help you.
There's no
As long as
arguing.
you're ready
I'm
to
asking
pay
a
the tax, she will
question,
definitely
and
take
I'm
the tax for you.
frustrated.
I
And you think
understand.
that is acting unlawful, that you need to call a sheriff because I came here to ask for questions to
No,
be
ma'am,
answered?
You're actually accusing us of fraud and treason.
I have
you're
eyewitnesses
actually
and recordings.
threatening us towards what we're doing. We're not doing anything against you. We're trying to help you to get your problem resolved, and we're more than happy to do that. But when you're throwing accusations
You just
at
threatened
us
me,
as an
ma'am. You threatened to
excellent-
call the cops on me and false report that I was misconduct,
No, ma'am.
that I
I
was
said
committing
that
a crime here
I didn't
and have
say
me
you were committing
escorted.
a crime. Definitely not. I just
You did
said
too tell me
that
you were
are
going to call the
actually
cops.
causing chaos
Would
to
you
our
like to just
officers.
pay the time?
Let's just pay that. And I will be making a report of you threatening me.
No, ma'am, I did not.
You
threaten
threatened
you,
me.
But you're more than welcome to.
Yes, you
report
did. You
whatever
threatened to
want.
call the police. It is my right to come down here and ask questions. It's my right to be frustrated why you did not give me a proper delinquency notice and why you had to make it up today.
That is correct. But to cause
All right,
a disruption
let's pay
within
this.
any business,
$110.
we have a right to protect our office as well.
And I have the right to protect myself from you false reporting and trying to get me arrested.
Okay.
So, 110,
Yes, 110 and 85 cents.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how much?
85.
$85 you said?
Yes.
Okay, it's 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. Actually, here, we got 75. And 85.
Thank you.
So, there you go.
On the other side.
And if I can get a receipt, please?
Yes. Printing it right now.
And did you find that there were any other properties in my name?
No, I did not. I did find your properties, but there's nothing else.
This was the only one?
Yes.
All right. Thank you for your assistance, ma'am. I appreciate it. And it does note that I paid in full?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for your time, ma'am. Bye-bye.